Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this lesson, we learn how to check whether a value is object-like in JavaScript. Object-like values are not necessarily plain objects, but include arrays, maps, and sets. This check is useful in data validation, type checking, and object manipulation. Let's explore an efficient way to determine if a value is object-like. Object-like values include regular objects, arrays, and built-in collections, but exclude functions, null, and primitives. This check helps in type safety and data processing workflows. This function first eliminates null values, since typeof null incorrectly returns object. Then it checks if typeof val is strictly equal to the object, ensuring the value is either an object or an array. This approach ensures that only non-null objects are classified as object-like, while excluding functions and primitives. The check is efficient and reliable in most cases. This function correctly identifies objects and arrays as object-like while excluding null and functions. The typeof check ensures that only objects remain after filtering out non-object values. This function is widely used in data validation, API handling, and security checks. It ensures that functions receive objects instead of unexpected primitive values, making code more reliable and error-free. This wraps up our lesson. We've learned how to differentiate object-like values from other data types, ensuring accurate type handling in JavaScript applications. This method is useful in API validation, working with JSON, and preventing data errors. Try using it in your projects. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.